Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to contact the YouTube creator support team using live chat and email step by step. Many creators struggle to find help when their channel is flagged, monetization is suspended, or maybe their channel has been terminated for one reason or the other, or maybe they need some policy clarification. So knowing how to reach YouTube support team really matters, and in this video I will show you how to do that. YouTube provides live chat support and email support for YouTube creators. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to 1. Access YouTube creator support from YouTube Studio or YouTube itself. 2. You learn how to start a live chat with a support agent. 3. You learn how to send an email to YouTube support agent. 4. You learn the best practices for describing your issues. Then finally, you know what to expect after contacting the YouTube Studio agent and team. So guys, all these are what you're going to get, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to the YouTube support team contact page. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to get to the contact us page using 3 methods. The first method is using your YouTube Studio app. The second one is using your YouTube app. Then the last one is using your browser. So let me start with the my YouTube Studio app. So let me tap my YouTube Studio app. You can see it right there. If you don't have any of these apps that I just mentioned, like your YouTube Studio, the YouTube app, and the browser, whichever browser at all, just go over to the Play Store or your App Store to download and install it. So I have them already installed. So let me tap my YouTube Studio app. You can see it right there. You can see now my YouTube Studio app has opened up. So once it opens up, the next step you have to take now in order to find the contact page is to tap on where you can see N. You can see the N icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then under the end page, what you have to do now is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards to the bottom of the page. Let me scroll to the bottom. So guys, now under the creator resources and tools, you can see where it is written YouTube creator support. You can see it right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, can see where it has brought us to. You can see right there at the top it says YouTube help. So what you have to do now is to scroll down, but before I scroll down to the bottom, you can see at the top there, you can see my Google account is selected. So make sure you select the Google account that you use in creating your YouTube channel, your YouTube account. You can see it right there. You can tap on the icon to select the Google account. Let me just tap on it. You can see here are my several Google accounts. So select the Google accounts that you use in creating your YouTube channel. So let me cancel out of this. So let me scroll down now to the bottom of this page. Right there at the bottom, you can see where it is written contact us. Tell us more and we will help you get there. So guys, what you have to do right away is to tap on where you can see contact us. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this is the page where you can be able to contact the YouTube creator support team via live chat or email. So guys, let me show you guys now the second method that can bring you right here. Remember I said I'm going to show you guys 3 methods. Let me go ahead now to show you guys the second method that can bring you right here in this contact page. So that is the second method is I'm going to be using the YouTube app. So let me minimize right away. Let me go over to my YouTube app. Let me tap on it to open it. Here is my YouTube. Let me tap on it. Can see now my YouTube is opening. So guys, can see now my YouTube has opened up. Now if you want to access the YouTube creator support team contact page, what you have to do is to tap on your profile icon. You can see your profile icon at the bottom right, the U page. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on my YouTube profile icon. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see view channel. So you have to go over to your profile page. So let me tap on view channel. Then right now what you have to do now is to tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top right. You can see right there the 3 vertical dots. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see help and feedback. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then right here what you have to do now is to scroll down to the bottom. So let me scroll down. So guys, right here now you can see where it is written contact us. Tell us more and we will help you get there. You can see this is the same contact us that we found when we used our YouTube Studio. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, you can see it has brought us now to the same place. This is the same contact page that the first method took us to. So now let me go ahead now to show you guys the third method that can bring you right here to this YouTube creator support team contact page. So let me minimize. Then let me go over to my browser. You can use any browser at all, but I want to use the Chrome browser in this video tutorial. So let me tap on my browser to open it. So once your browser opens up, what you have to do now is to search for support.google.com. So let me go ahead now to type it in. Let me tap on the search bar, then let me type in support.google.com. So guys can see it right there at the top, support.google.com. So let me tap on enter. Let me search it out. So guys, right here you can see the page that brought us to. So what you have to do next now is to go ahead now to select YouTube. You can see YouTube right there. That's the third option. So let me tap on YouTube. So guys, now you can see where it has brought us to the same YouTube help page. You can see it right here. So what I can do now is to scroll down to the bottom, and like I said, always make sure you choose the right Google account that is for your YouTube channel. You can see it right there at the top right. But let me scroll down now to the bottom to show you guys the contacts. So guys, now you can see it right there. You can see the contact us right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, you can see it has brought us now to the same contact page. So guys, these are the three methods that can actually get you to this contact page. Now what I will do now is to show you guys how you can be able to contact the YouTube creator support team using the live chat and also using your email, So guys, right there at the top, you can see what's written there. It says contact us. Step 1, what can we help with? So guys, now what you have to do now is to go ahead now to select your channel. You can see that box for select channel. You have to select your channel, and you can do that by tapping on that drop down icon. So let me tap on the drop down icon. So what you have to do now is to select your channel. So let me select my channel. You can see I've selected my channel, but in case your channel is not right there, in case you didn't find your channel, what you have to do is to tap on the not listed. So let me tap on the drop down icon again. You can see we have two options here, my channel, and the second option is channel not listed. So if your channel is not right there, just tap on channel not listed. But the trick there is that after you select channel not listed, you'll be asked to provide the URL of your YouTube channel or the link to your YouTube channel profile. So let me tap on channel not listed. So guys, now you can see the space where you have to provide your YouTube channel URL has been provided. You can see it right there. I can see the example that is given. They said the YouTube URL has to look like what is written there. You can see youtube.com/channel/ then you have to input the numbers and the alphabet that follows. So guys, what I'll do now is to go ahead now to input my YouTube channel URL. If your channel is visible there, just select it, then you don't have to input this URL. URL is for those who their channel is not being displayed right here. So let me just type it in. Right there guys, can see I've inputted on my channel URL. Now the next step now is to go over to the next box. You can see what's written there. It says tell us what we can help you with. Example, how do I change my settings? So guys, that's just an example. Your case might be different. Maybe your monetization was suspended, so you can write how do I get my my suspension lifted, my channel suspension lifted, something like that. You can also input something like how do I get my channel back? You get, my channel was demonetized, or you can say channel termination. So let me just type in something. Let me write channel termination. Right there guys, can see I've inputted channel termination. So now the next button is now available. You can see it right there. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. Remember, you have up to 100 character to write in what you want them to help you with. You can see it right there. I just used 20 out of the 100. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. You can see it's loading. Then it says here, choose the best description of this issue. So you can see there are various descriptions right here. The first one there is account termination for spam. Maybe your account was terminated for spam, and maybe for let's say copyright infringement or some things like that. So just go ahead to select the one that best fits what you want them to help you with. So let me select account termination for spam. Let me tap on it. You can see it has been selected. So let me tap on next step. Then right here is the next step. You can see right there it says step 2, resources. So guys, they said people with familiar issues have found these resources helpful. So guys, these are articles that you can read to get some information. Maybe if you read through these articles, you can get information that are going to help you. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll down. I don't need those articles, but for your case, you might be needing them. They are very important articles that is going to give you on critical information that is going to help you in your YouTube journey. So let me go ahead now to tap on next step. Then here is step 3. It says contact options. So guys, this is where you can be able to choose between whether you want to use the live chat or you want to email the YouTube support creators team. So if you want to use live chat to communicate with the YouTube creators support team, then you can go ahead now to tap on chat. But if you want to use email to communicate with the YouTube creator support team, then you tap on email. But I will start with the email. So let me tap on email. Since this video is about using both the live chat and email, let me start with the email option. So let me tap on it right away. You can see right here is the next step. You can see it says you are currently signed in as, you can see that's my email address. I'm currently signed in with that email address. It says, let me continue reading. This email address will be recorded when you submit the form. If this isn't the account associated with the product or services that you're having an issue with, please switch accounts. So guys, what that means is that if the Google account, if that email address is not the email address that you use in creating your YouTube channel, you have to switch it, you get, or you have to log into the correct account before filling this form. So guys, that is very important. Remember, I mentioned that while showing you guys how you can access the contact page. So what I'm going to do right away now is to go ahead now to input my first name. You have to input your first name and also input your last name, which is also your surname. So input your legal names right there. Then the next one there, it says, how can we help you? So guys, right there, this way you're going to be able to give the full explanation of the issues that you're having in your YouTube channel. In this case, channel termination. So you have to write all of it. You have to describe all the issues, and let me tap on it to show you guys what I mean. You can see right there we have up to 1000 characters to describe the issues that we're having. If your channel was suspended from monetization, then this way you have to describe the reason why your channel shouldn't have been suspended from monetization. This way you have to appeal. This way you have to describe your issue. You have to show them the reason why they should reinstate your channel back. So this way you have to describe all of that. And also let me scroll down now to the bottom. You can see the next one. It says, is your issue about a specific video? So if your issue is about just one video in your channel, tap on yes. But if it is about your whole channel, just tap on no. So let me tap on no. So the next one is, if you're looking to appeal a yellow dollar sign for your video, have you already done so in studio? The reason I'm actually contacting them is not about any yellow dollar sign in my YouTube studio, but let me just tap. I think I should leave that, but all of this is asterisked. You can see the asterisk right there. So this is an important information that you have to provide. So let me tap on yes, and it says, have you received the result of human review? Have I received? Yes, I have received. I've done it before, so I've received. You can see the next one right there. It says, please attach a file if it helps to describe your issue. So let's say for instance your YouTube channel was suspended from monetization. You can go over to the monetization page in your YouTube studio. You can go over to the end page, then make a screenshot of the end page. That way you can be able to show them what you're actually going through. You can be able to show them the issue. With that screenshot, they'll be able to better understand where you're coming from and what your issue is. So you can make a screenshot of any page that will be able to explain your problem better. And for you to do that, you have to tap on choose file. Then once you tap on choose file, it will direct you to your gallery. They can be able to upload the image. Then once you're done inputting all of this information, what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see submit. You can see submit right there. Once you tap on submit, this will be sent to the YouTube creator support team. Then in few minutes or maybe a few hours or few days, they'll be able to respond to you via email. So guys, this is how it can be done. Just go ahead to fill all of this like I said. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the second option, which is the live chat. So let me go over to the live chat option. Let me scroll upwards now. Let me tap on chat. You can see chat right there. So let me tap on it. Then right here you can see what's written there at the top. It says you're currently signed in as, that's my email address. I think I've read this before, so let me just continue. So what is required of you right here is to provide your first name, your last name, then the next one there is how can we help you. This is where you can describe all the issues that you're having. This is where you can be able to impute your appeal. This is where you can be able to describe and explain the issues that you're having, like I said for the email. So just go ahead now to impute that. And also let me give this important information on this, how we can help you. Please make sure your write-up is very detailed. Make sure it contains every issue that you're having. Make sure you're detailed with everything you're going to impute in that write-up, because this might be the last option you might be having to contact the YouTube creator concerning that issue. So make sure you impute it, you write it in such a way that they'll be able to understand you, and make sure you go straight to the point. And you can see, like I said, you have 1000 characters to use, so make sure it's very detailed. If it is about your channel being demonetized, make sure it is about the monetization. If it's about your channel being removed from YouTube, make sure it's about the reinstating of your YouTube and the rest of them. Then let me scroll down. Now it says, is your issue about a specific video? I've answered all of this. Let me just tick all of this. Let me tick no. Then let me tick right here yes. Let me tick yes. You can see right there I've selected all of this. So let me scroll down now. It says right here, please attach a file if it helps describe your issue. So what you have to take note is that this file they're asking you to upload is actually optional. You get, the most important one that is needed is these ones that have asterisks on it. These questions that have asterisks, you can see them. These questions that have asterisks and your first name and last name, those are the most important thing you must provide. Without providing them, you can't be able to submit. So guys, now let me just go ahead now to fill all of this so I can submit. Let me fill this, how we can help you. You can see, guys, you can see what I wrote there. Dear YouTube creator support team, this is just an example. It's not a must that your write-up must be like this. I'm writing to respectfully appeal the removal of my channel. I understand the importance of YouTube community guidelines, and I had no intention of violating any policy. If any content on my channel did not fully comply, I sincerely apologize. I'm willing to correct, remove, or adjust any content as needed and fully comply with YouTube rules going forward. I kindly request a review of my channel and consideration for reinstatement. Thank you for your time and understanding. Sincerely, Mobile. This is just an example. If you're sure that YouTube made a mistake in terminating your account or in suspending your monetization, be affirmative but also be humble in your appeal, in your write-up. So guys, this is it. You can see I made use of 551 character, so I'm left with 449 characters to use. So you can write a lot with 1000. So guys, let me just scroll down now to the bottom to tap on submit. You can see right here. So what I'll do now is to tap on submit. So let me tap on submit. Right here, guys, can see now it has directed me now to the live chat. You can see what's written there, support chat, and you can see what's written there at the bottom. It says you are number 6 in line. So there are 6 persons that are before me that are actually chatting with this YouTube creator support team. So what I have to do now is to wait patiently for my turn to reach and make sure this page is continually open, so they're going to know when it's your turn to actually chat with these real human beings. They are the actual creator support team. So guys, you can see what's written there. It says support chat. You can see it right there. Let me just tap on it to see what is there. You can see they say just a second. You can see it says you are number 6 in line. You can see right there it says leave the queue. So in case you want to leave the queue, you can tap on leave the queue. So guys, now this I can be able to actually let me tap on leave the queue. I don't want to make any I don't have anything to say. I'm just making this video so you guys can learn how you can actually contact the YouTube creator support team. So let me just leave the queue. Let me leave the queue and let me go back. So guys, this I can be able to contact the YouTube creator support team using live chat or email. So guys, I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.